Good morning to everyone. Myself Dr. T. Arun Kumar, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. Today we are going to see about the cell. Outline, cell structure and organelles, cell molecular components, water and chemical properties, cell membrane, osmotic properties of cells, cell molecule transportation. Cell structure of animal cells. These are the cell structure. We have mitochondria, ribosome, cytosol, endoplasmic reticulum, that is both rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Then it is covered with the plasma membrane, nucleus, etc. Cell organelles, nucleus, one nuclear envelope having chromatin and DNA. Then we having nucleolus. Mitochondria, double membrane, mitochondrial DNA. We can call it as a powerhouse of the cell. Food converted into energy. Adenosine triphosphate. Consume oxygen, produce carbon dioxide. What is ATP? Nucleotides carry chemical energy from easily hydrolyzed phospho unhydrated bonds combined to form coenzymes. That is coenzyme A, we call it as a CoA, used as signaling molecule, cyclic AMP. That is AMP means adenosine monophosphate. Cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, site where cell membrane and exported material is made. Ribosome, that is a rough, make proteins. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum makes lipid. Golgi apparatus receives and modifies, directs new materials. Lysosomes, intracellular digestion, release nutrients, breakdown of waste. Peroxisomes, hydrogen peroxide generates and degraded. Cytosol, water-based gel, chemical reactions. Cytoskeletons, filamentals, actin, intermediate and microtubules. Movement of organelles and cell. Structure, strength and cell. Vesicles, material transport, membrane, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi derived vesicles. Organic molecules of cells, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acid. Proteins, most diverse and complex macromolecules in the cell, used for structure, function, and information. Made of linearly arrangements amino acid residues, folded up with active regions. Types of proteins, enzymes, catalyze covalent bond breakage or formation, structural, collagen, elastin, keratin, etc. Motility, actin, myosin, tubulin, etc. Regularity, bind to DNA to switch DNAs on or off. Storage, oval albumin, casein, etc. Hormonal, insulin, nerve growth factor, that is NGF, etc. Receptors, hormone and neurotransmitter receptors. Transport, carry small molecules or ions. Special purpose proteins, green fluorescent protein, etc. Lipids, hydrophobic molecules. Energy storage lipid membrane compounds, signal molecules, triglycerides, fat, that phospholipids, wax, sterols, carbohydrates, sugars storage, glycogen starch, structural polymers, cellulose and chitin. Major substrate of energy metabolism. Nucleic acid, DNA, that is a deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA encoded genetic information for the synthesis of all proteins, building blocks of life. That is DNA is converted into RNA, RNA is converted into protein, that is DNA is converted to DNA, you want to call it as a replication, then DNA is converted into RNA is called as a transcription, then RNA is converted into protein is a translation. Water molecule, polarity of water allows H bonding. Water dissociation into hydrogen ions plus hydroxide ions. Imbalance of hydrogen and hydroxide given rise to acids and base. Measure up by the pH. pH influence charge of amino acid groups on proteins causing a specific activity. Buffering system maintain intracellular and extracellular pH. Water molecule, hydrophobic, water fearing. Molecule is not a polar, cannot form H bonds and is repelled from water, insoluble. Hydrophilic, water loving. Molecules is a polar, forms H bonds with the water soluble. The cellular membrane, so lipid is a bilayer, water molecules either enter or it will come outside. Thank you. Then cell membrane, Composite plasma membrane encloses cell and cell organelles made of hydrophobic and hydrophilic components, semi membranes. This is the organelles. Thank you.